Okay, children. After this, he started doing second set of experiment as shown in the picture, just to try to understand. That is why I have based this video on these pictures only. Now he tried to check for more characters. In the first experiment he has took one character only, that is height. This time he took two characters. So one was color of the seed and other was the shape of the seed. Is it okay? Just to see. He chose cross. He chose yellow and yellow seeds, round and yellow seeds, and he chose wrinkled green seeds. Okay, so this round and yellow are homozygous round and yellow seeds, whereas homozygous wrinkled and green seed he chose. So in this you can see in the first this diagram, you just see in which capital R, capital capital Y and small r and small y were cross pollinated, and in result he got capital R, capital Y, small y in first generation. So these all the seeds were round and yellow. They all were heterozygous or hybrid he got in the F1 generation. Is that clear to you all? Have you all understood this? Now there are so many possibilities. After that, he self-pollinated the first generation, that is capital R, capital Y, small y. You can see a Punnett square. This is known as a Punnett square, which is shown in the figure 2. Just to see कितने सारे येलो कलर राउंड एंड येलो मिल रहे हैं, और येलो एंड रिंकल्ड मिल रहे हैं, और राउंड एंड ग्रीन है, और रिंकल्ड और ग्रीन है. जस्ट काउंट द नंबर्स. You will see that you will get the ratio of 9:3:3:1. That means 9 numbers में आपको round and yellow seeds मिले हैं, 3 numbers में आपको येलो एंड रिंकल सीड्स मिले हैं, और 3 numbers में मिले हैं राउंड एंड ग्रीन, और एक मिला है रिंकल ग्रीन. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि सेकेंड जनरेशन में जो रेसेसिव ट्रेट था फिर से बाहर आ गया, बट इस टाइम रेशियो अलग है. दिस इज एक्चुअली नोन एज डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस, इन विच ही हैज़ टेकन 2 ट्रेट्स, दैट इज राउंड एंड येलो, एंड अनदर उसमें क्या लिया है, wrinkled and green. So Mendel's observation. Now let us see what is the observation of Mendel's. Okay. In F1 generation, displayed only one parental trait, though both have taken part, but only the dominant trait were displayed in F1 generation. Keeping this in mind, Mendel's come out with the first principle, the principle of dominance. I have taught you about 3 principles of Mendel. So this was the first principle in the first observation. I think you got it. Okay. Now next में क्या था? The hidden trait in F1 generation reappeared unchanged in F2 generation. देखा हमने, डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस में भी देखा हमने, मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस में भी देखा कि सेकेंड जनरेशन में जो हिडन ट्रेट था वो बाहर आया. तो दिस इज एक्चुअली द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन. सेग्रीगेशन मीन्स सेपरेट आउट, अलग होके बाहर आना. तो ड्यूरिंग पॉलिनेशन ईच ऑफ द गैमेट, क्या होता है पॉलिनेशन के टाइम, ईच ऑफ द गैमेट सेपरेट हो जाते हैं. दे सेपरेट आउट एंड रिटेन इट्स आइडेंटिटी. नाउ अंडरस्टूड? This was the second principle of segregation. This was the second principle of Mendel's. Now 4 types of plants were obtained in F2 generation in dihybrid cross. अभी इसमें आप जो फिगर देख रहे हो, आप इसमें देखो, उसको साइड में 4 तरह के सीड्स बने हुए हैं. तो दिस टाइम 4 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स मिला था F2 जनरेशन में इन dihybrid cross. So basically Mendel's first experiment was, so his first experiment was monohybrid, and second was dihybrid, in which he has taken 2 different traits, that is round and yellow and wrinkled and green. So that type of experiment he actually he says that there were 4 types of plants obtained in F2 generation, and he started with 2 types of plants. तो F1 जनरेशन में राउंड एंड येलो उसको पूरे मिले थे, और फिर जब सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन कराया तो उसे 4 तरह के प्लांट्स मिले. दैट मीन्स दैट ईच ऑफ दीज ट्रेड्स वर इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर. मतलब वो किसी के साथ भी क्रॉस हो सकते हैं और कुछ भी न्यू बना सकते हैं. समझ में आ रही है ना बात? तो the shape and color of seeds, the color of seeds are independent. They can easily combine with means many combinations are possible in that. So he came out with this the principle of independent assortment. This was the last and third principle of Mendel's. So these were the three principles of Mendel, which is given.